pretty straightforward, but it's exciting. 1 dehydrator, 6 stainless steel trays, a mesh screen, a fruit roll sheet, a recipe book, and more. A few, or a lot, of your favorite foods all go on the trays. Then you slide your trays in. With only 4 buttons, the options aren't complicated. Just set the temperature, then set the time. Those are the basics. The process is mesmerizing and extremely satisfying. You might find it tempting to level up, especially once you find thick-cut bacon in the fridge. Or some marinated meat that you'll pay your roommate back for. Once you've mastered that, there's no stopping you. For instance, can you really be satisfied with plain old ice cream? When you can magically transform fruit into fruit paste, into fruit leather, into garnish? Oh, those beets? Let's whip up some beet powder. And there we have it, beet powder a la mode. Voila! Much better.
When searching through your refrigerator, do you have to dig, shove, and shift things aside just to see what's inside? Does spoiled food and expired dates send your cash right in the bin? Introducing the Smart Spin rotating storage system from JML. The fast, easy way to see it, spin it, and select it. It's so easy. Just place it on any shelf, and Smart Spin brings all your food that's lost in the back right to the front. So you can finally turn a cluttered disaster into a neat rotating master. With Smart Spin, it slides and spins 360 degrees in every direction and holds a mountain of food, yet takes up no space at all. No more rotten forgotten food, and no more buying things you already have. With Smart Spin, the back row magically becomes the front row. Bingo! It's so easy, you can find the dressing with a blindfold on. Amazing! It's perfect for leftovers, fruits or vegetables, condiments and more. Now foods can't hide, spoil or expire, saving you money. And that's not all. It's also great for snacks in the pantry, spice bottles in a cabinet, medicine and vitamins on a shelf, under the sink. Anywhere you want to see it, spin it and select it with Smart Spin.